The alphabet soup of Social Security disability words that every Social Security disability applicant must know. The letters A, B, C, D, E, F, M, P, and R. When you apply for Social Security disability benefits, you're going to learn a new language. It's not English. It's what I call Social Securityese. Just like any language, you need to understand these words because they're going to impact your ability to communicate, and they're going to impact your entitlement to your Social Security disability benefits. As I work my way through the alphabet of Social Security disability words, I'm also going to give you the history of the letters. So when we're going to start out with the letter A, the history of A is that it was an animal, and it was an animal that had antlers or horns. And then ultimately, the A was turned upside down. When the ancient Semitics were involved in the language, the letter A stood for the word ox. All right, so let's talk about the Social Security disability A words. The first is AIME, Average Indexed Monthly Earnings, and that is an important term that you need to understand. Well, why is that? Because people always ask me, well, how much am I going to get in my Social Security disability benefits? And what you get is going to be based on the average of your 5 highest year earnings. So you can go to www.ssa.gov and look at what the Social Security Administration has calculated your Social Security disability benefits to be. Now that's based on your earnings record, and I'll talk about that when we get to the E's. But if the number doesn't look right, you want to look behind these documents in your earnings records to make sure that you have the correct earnings that have been reported, because again, that's the basis of your Social Security disability benefits. The next word is application. And I will tell you, applying for Social Security disability benefits is a pain in the you know what. It's a pain because there are lots of forms that need to be filled out and lots of information. The primary information is your employment history, the work that you've done in the 15 years before you became disabled, but it's also your medical history. Now, you're going to be asked questions about your medical providers, their addresses, what they've provided treatment for, and I don't want you to just only provide Social Security with the information about your current treatment, but anything you think might be applicable to your claim for disability benefits, because a Social Security award is based not only on the obvious disabling conditions, but a combination of disabling conditions. The next important word is appeal. When you apply for Social Security disability benefits, your claim is going to be reviewed by a state agency called Disability Determination Services. Now, the Social Security Administration is contracted with them to review the application, and 2/3 of the time, they will deny that application. It can be really discouraging. But I don't want you to be discouraged. I want you to contact myself or an experienced Social Security disability attorney so that within 60 days, we can file a document called a request for reconsideration. Now, again, this document goes to DDS, and DDS, again, denies claims 2/3 of the time. And again, the whole strategy is to basically convince you to give up, but we never ever give up. But you've got 60 days in which to file what's called a request for reconsideration, and if it's denied, then ultimately we'll have to file a request for hearing, and we get out of DDS and we finally get in front of an administrative law judge. That judge is not bound by the earlier denial, so you're going to have a fresh shot at winning your Social Security disability benefits. I'm often asked, what should I do if my claim has been denied? Don't delay. Contact an experienced Social Security disability attorney such as myself, because we can help you get the Social Security disability benefits. We want you to understand the 5-step sequential evaluation that's used in every Social Security case. If you don't understand what you have to prove, you're never going to win your Social Security case. It will be by luck and happenstance. So call today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the Social Security disability benefits you and your family deserve.